It's summer 2026. It's going to be a hot one, and this is a hot new arrival for you. This is the 2026 Keystone Cougar 350LLK. Stands for living like a king. I'm just kidding, but when you're rolling this, you're going to feel like one. There's a lot to unpack in here, but I want to start off with the front. Follow me. In the front cap, this is our master suite. Super spacious. We got an east to west bed right here, really opens it up, and we got a king bed right there. Got two elevated nightstands on either side with outlets. You can plug your phone up, keep it right there. Early risers, got your alarm clock right there. Nice miniature walk-in closet. Even comes with a laundry hamper. For my extended stay people, I bet you're wondering, yes, it does. It's washer dryer prepped. You can put it right here. Can accommodate a stack. Got an AC right here and it's ducted. Keystone does not skimp on storage. We got a bunch of storage right there under the bed. Goes down super easy. Got a dresser right here. Really all the space you need, especially it being paired with that massive closet right there. I love this. This is a mid-year change they did last year. You got dimmable lights. Super nice. Shut them all the way off right there. Shut them all the way on right there. AC controls. In here, we got a pretty nice size bathroom in here. Nice counter space, huge mirror right there. Sink, toilet. I'm not gonna lie, this shower is pretty massive. You can sit down, shower off. Even got a little skylight right there. I mean, I'm 6'2" and I fit in this thing with plenty of extra space. On top of that, we got a ton of storage in here. Fit all your towels, any bathroom supplies you need. Stepping down here, here's the main control panel right here. I love that a lot of it's still analog. I really like that. Furrion controls, again, more dimmable lights here. Max air vent right there. And this is our ceiling fan right here. That's super nice to have in this fifth wheel. Stepping into the main attraction right here. We got a big flat screen TV right here. Right below that, we got a fireplace. It works like a big space heater with effects. A lot of counter space right here. Even has a pull up for outlets, USB, USB-C. Put some pictures here. A little charcuterie board, whatever you'd like. The possibilities are pretty endless. And something new they did for 2026 is this paneling right here. I personally like the little stuff. That's a little detail they added. It really adds a different kind of feel to it. I really enjoy that. Here's our dinette area. You can switch this. Kind of have it facing right there for a little desk if you move your chairs over here. But obviously, if we got company, we want to pull it out. Leave it like that. Fit forward, no problem. Like I said, I love this floor plan. They got an L-shaped couch in here. This will even pull out to a tri-fold bed for other people to come with you. But it's right here like this. If it's just you and your significant other, these two recline. Good for movie night. Might just take a nap right here. See you in a bit. Just kidding. I'm gonna keep walking around here. Cup holders. Stepping into the kitchen. This is super nice. I don't know really anybody who's doing this. Rear kitchen floor plan with the L-shaped couch. Dishwasher prepped right here, which is super nice. I'm a paper plate guy, but it does give you the option to install a dishwasher if you wanted to. One-piece sink right here, farmhouse design. Love all the windows in here, super nice. More outlets right there, and they do not skimp on the storage. Got our oven right here with 3 burners on top. Again, another massive window right there. Microwave, obviously. More storage. And again, I like this paneling design right here. They even got you a nice design right here on the back of the cabinets. 12-volt fridge right here, always keeping your food cool. It helps when you got the solar on top too, like this one does. Here's our massive pantry right here. That's a lot to unpack on the inside, and the outside is equally as nice. Come check it out with me. Now that we're on the outside, look at this new design they got. Super duper clean. Love the new logo. Right up front, we got the Kurt Helix fifth wheel hitch. You can swap this out for a gooseneck. I know a lot of people are doing that, but this is a quality hitch right here. 4-point auto leveling electric. Very nice, very seamless. And we got the speakers outside with the dual awnings on this camper, so it's super nice. All key to like right here. Check out this massive pass-through storage right here. What's nice about this too is you can actually operate your awnings from the outside instead of having to guess while trying to operate it from the inside. Super nice. It hooks some TVs up right here. Nice upgraded steps. We like that. Next gen grab handle right here too. You take a look under here. We got the Road Armor suspension. That's really going to help us out, pair along with our ABS brakes on the Cougar, okay? Going to make for a very nice ride. You're going to feel safe. Not going to have to white knuckle this at all. You got 220 watts of solar on the top to keep your battery charged. Super nice. This camper is a 50 amp camper right here. Nice ladder. I love these new decals that they've been putting on the Cougars. Super duper clean. Again, that Road Armor suspension, you can't miss that. Obviously our furnace exhaust right here, but we got a tankless hot water heater right here. I don't know about y'all, but I take a lot of hot showers. You know, you know. And this camper is coming in at an unloaded dry weight of 11,860 pounds. So you don't have to get a whole 1 ton to tow this thing. You're pretty much gonna be good to roll. Right here, we got our wet bay. I love how it's separated, you know, in case you do have some leakage, which, you know, we never really run into that with these Cougars, but in case you do, all of it's gonna stay right here. It's not gonna drift into your pass-through storage or anything like that. So very nice. Propane on both sides. And we got storage in the front as well. Spare tire in there, battery disconnects, solar disconnects. That's where your batteries will go. We put those on for you free of charge. That is my new favorite Keystone Cougar floor plan right there. It's the 350 LLK right there, 2026, straight from Keystone. If you want to see this or anything else like it, we got you here at Bankston Motor Homes. Give us a call. My name's TJ. My number is 256-755-0500. Looking to see you soon. See ya.